if I'm standing here and I move, it'll come with me. And if I move here, it'll come with me again. Like, mind blown.
B, C, D, E, F, G.
So I am starting my vlogs again. I hope you still want to watch them because it's been like a million years since I started. You know what I mean. So I got myself the new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Like, I've just started using it. So I want to learn all the settings in it, and I first want to see how to use the microphone. There is no electricity. I'm sitting in front of my laptop. You get a microphone and the floof thing, but I don't know how to connect this thing. Okay, I think I've connected this. I don't know. You tell me. I'll have to watch this back later to know whether this was successful or not. I'm hoping this was successful. Otherwise, I just look like a dumbass just talking to a floof. So far, this gadget is so cool. It is so compact. Like, that was my biggest problem, I feel like, apart from the obvious laziness. The difficult part was carrying a huge camera around. I sort of was like watching all the videos about DJI Osmo so that I can understand this better. I can use this better. Ugh, I don't know, man, what I'm doing. Okay. I'm still learning, as you can see, because this is so easy. The electricity is back. Okay, so I can put you down here with better lighting. It is so compact. I said that already. It's so fun to talk with a mic. I can pretend that I'm, somebody important. Not important, but... And let's sort of make this a weekly vlog. So every week you have something to watch. Like a close friend in particular say, something that's chill, not very loud. Like I can't be, hey guys, I can't do that. There's nothing wrong with it though, but that's not me. Hi. I'm so happy I got this setup because it is so much better than the bulky camera, and let's be real, I'm not a photographer or videographer. I'm not going to shoot things that are like incredibly amazing or whatever. Like I there's no need for it. I need something that is handy, and I need something that is like on the go, and for that this is sort of perfect. There are other cool things about this camera. Like for right now, I'm much more zoomed in, but if I wanted like a wide angle, I just have to prop this filter and it is magnetic, and you just go pop, and I'm much more in a wide angle for you. It's amazing. Like, all these small things are really amazing. And for anybody who's looking into content creation and are like sick of the camera and wants a change, and like you go out and you want to vlog, and if you are like really introverted like me and don't want to be seen with a camera in people's faces, like you can't shoot yourself in public, I understand. For such people, you can just take this around because it's so tiny. Show you how tiny this thing really is. It is this small. Like, if this is the DJI Osmo, this is a scissors. It is that small and that handy. Okay, I need to sort of show you some more other things that are really cool with this. You get a mic, you get a protective case, you get the bag that has all of these slots so you know where each thing goes properly, and you also get this lens thing that I don't see. It's so zoomed in. No, wide angle. So you get a wide angle lens, a C2C cable, and also you can download the app called the DJI Mimo app. This one, see how it's connecting to my DJI right now, and you'll just connect to the camera. So when you connect, I can see myself in my phone. I can focus myself in my phone. This is amazing. See, that's me. that's me showing you. Okay, it's going in a loop. So basically, if I put the camera right here and I'm sort of going away, I can see what the camera sees. So now I am somewhere far away, right? Like I'm in the corner of the room. Don't look at my bed, it's a mess. But see, I sort of can see where I'm going with my phone. Now if I have to adjust myself, I can just adjust. Like I don't have to go back to the camera, click on the camera. I can click on the phone, I can start, stop, flip. Like I just flipped you, and that's the lamp my best friend gave me. But look back at me. See, you can still look back at me. Oh my god, this is amazing. I can start, stop, I can move focus, I can zoom in, perhaps zoom in, zoom out. I can do all that, and I can see that on my phone. As you know, like, because the Osmo is a small compact camera, the LED screen is not as big as a regular camera would be, right? But still, you can connect it to your phone and you can see it as big as you want, because I can see myself so clearly in my phone. It's just amazing. So I can sort of see everything that is there on my gallery. Like I don't even have to transfer it to anything, right? Like obviously you can transfer it. There is a C port in it, so you can plug it to your computer or plug it to your phone and transfer the files, but you can still access it from your phone, like from the app. It's there in the gallery, so which is very, very convenient. You know, when you have to edit reels and stuff, you don't have to go back and forth from transferring the stuff from your camera card to your laptop back to your phone. Like these are all the things that used to irritate me a lot. Now we're going to try the thing that I'm most excited about, and that is the tracking, the face tracking thing. This thing follows us everywhere that we go. That is what I want to see. So for that, I am sort of going to place this in the center. Face track is enabled. See, because I'm aware, you see how it's moving. Now if I'm shooting alone, which probably I am because I get so conscious in front of other people. Do you want a light in this room? Okay, so if I'm shooting alone, like right now I'm here, it's tracking my face, right? So if I go back, the camera is going to stabilize on its own, and I don't have to ask anybody else to shoot for me, because when I'm moving, it will move with me. See, it's moving with me. Now I'm at the other end of the room. I'm sure it's shooting me. I can't see the LED screen anymore, but I can see the camera rotating with me. And this is the most fun part. Like I can go anywhere and it will follow me, and I can switch it off. I sometimes like stable shots, static shots. I don't like things moving around all the time. I can switch off that too. But if I'm outdoor and I'm moving around and I want the camera to move with me, I can easily use this feature. അടിപൊളി സാധനം. Like വേറൊന്നും പറയാനില്ല. You know, like I'm so excited about it. Like if I'm standing here and I move, it'll come with me, and if I move here, it'll come with me again. Like mind blown. And also the DJI Osmo comes with a tripod. So it's not the best quality, but this is the tripod that you get. Okay, it is a screw type, and so you screw it up at the bottom and this sort of comes off in a 3. It is not the best quality. It is not very sturdy, I would say. If you're not buying the creators combo, don't go out your way to buy this particular tripod. This just comes with the creators combo. So because it's a screw type, it will go on any tripod. Like any tripod that you have with your camera, it will just go on it. So you can just screw this whole body that I'm holding right now onto the tripod. Today is Sunday, 25th May 12:32. So if you're looking for a new camera, and this I'm saying like solely for vlogging, nothing else, you can't compare it to a cinema camera or a Sony or whatever that is there out in the market and be like, oh, it doesn't have that or it doesn't have that. Obviously it is made for vlogging. It is made for like on the go type of stuff. If you're looking to invest in something purely for vlogging purposes, I think this is your best bet. ചാർലി ഫുഡ് വേണോ? വിശക്കണ്ട? ഇവിടെ മഴയൊക്കെ പെയ്യുമ്പം കാണാൻ തുടങ്ങി. Okay. Okay. I will always be in the center of the camera. Good morning, pineapple. Monday. It's 10. Okay. For some reason, and the mic work on I hope you can hear what I'm talking about. So today is Monday. I'm getting ready to go to work. This is my sort of getting ready setup. I have my day-to-day makeup in this little cart. I don't have a mirror yet. I need to get a mirror. പക്ഷെ കുറച്ച് നേരം ഇടാനേ പറ്റൂ. പിന്നെ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കറുത്തത് അടിച്ച് ടാർണിഷാവും. പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ ബ്ലാക്ക് കളറായിരിക്കും. കമ്മിങ് അപ്പ് വിത്ത് എ സൊല്യൂഷൻ ദോ. സോ സ്റ്റേ ട്യൂൺഡ്. എൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട് എനിക്ക് നേരെ തന്നൊരു പെർഫ്യൂം. സോ എപ്പോഴും ഗോൾഡ് സാധനങ്ങൾ ഗോൾഡ് ഒക്കെ എനിക്ക് ഇടാനിഷ്ടം. പക്ഷേ lately I like things silver. I don't know why. I thought like silver wouldn't suit me, but it suits me fine. Let's go to the office.
Hi.
വീഡിയോ കോൾ അല്ല അത്.
എന്താ സംഭവം?
ഇതാണ് ഞാൻ വാങ്ങിയത്.
ഓ, നീ ഇത് വാങ്ങിച്ചോ? ശരി, കൊള്ളാം.
ഇനി ഞാൻ എവിടെ പോയാലും എന്നോട് ക്യാമറ വരും.
ഓ വാവ്, ദാറ്റ്സ് നൈസ്. പ്രോട്ടീൻ മസാല ബോൾസ്. ഇതിന് 92 കാലറി ഉള്ളൂ, പക്ഷേ 3 ഗ്രാം കാലറി ഉള്ളൂ. 100 ഗ്രാമിന് 500 കാലറി. അതിൽ 16 ഗ്രാം പ്രോട്ടീൻ ഉണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ 100 ഗ്രാം കഴിക്കണം. ഇതിൽ വർമ്മ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്. ഞാൻ പേപ്പർ തന്നു.
You like the taste of I like the taste of it. Really. Like it's really a different, a peculiar taste. I'm really for it. എന്താ നല്ല നല്ല ടേസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട് ശരിക്കും എന്ത് നല്ല ടേസ്റ്റാണ് വേറെ സ്ഥലത്ത് പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ ഓർഡർ ചെയ്തില്ല എടാ ഞാൻ ഇതൊക്കെ ഇഷ്ടമാണ് പക്ഷെ ഇത് തന്നെ ഓർഡർ ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല വേറെ ഓർഡർ ചെയ്യാനോ The coffee that I had was like okayish, I would say. Cocotree's Cafe Mocha and I pretty I really liked it. See, what I right now feel is like I had too much of kite that I wanna indulge in a butterscotch ice cream. But it really tastes good. The citrus and the black coffee. Thank you.
നമുക്ക് പോവാം മഴ ഇത്തിരി താഴ്ന്നുണ്ട്. ഇല്ല. Hello, good morning. Wednesday, 28th May. I'm editing. It was 8:25. I'm editing the video that you're watching right now. I might cut short the weekly vlog by Thursday or Friday because then I need to vlog and pack and prep of all of that is going to come. I'm also a little concerned because of the rains in Bengaluru right now. I hope they don't cancel the show and everything goes smoothly and we are driving there. I am kind of excited for that. We'll be staying there for 2 or 3 days more. Yeah, so I'm gonna get back to editing now. Today we are going to make Buldak carbonara flavor. ഇന്ന് ഒന്നല്ലേ. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇത് ബോയിൽ ചെയ്ത് വെള്ളം കളഞ്ഞ് ഇതിലേക്ക് സീസണിങ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. നമ്മൾ മാഗിയിൽ വെള്ളത്തിലിട്ട് തിളപ്പിക്കുന്ന പോലെയല്ല ഇതിൽ. So let's wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll drain this.
Why is it called carbonara?
Because it's carbonara flavor packet. Don't you know what a carbonara is?
I don't know.
I thought you knew Italian stuff. It's a type of pasta, like a white sauce, cheesy pasta.
Basically noodles. Eh?
Eh?
My question is, why are you cooking with a knife?
Because I don't have a spoon. I mean, I do have one. I can't find it.
Lazy is the term, guys. Subtitles, please. Lazy. Big font, lazy.
I'm not lazy. Also, I am the one who's editing it. Okay, I think it is fully cooked. We could cook an egg on the side and just put it on top of it, no? Like how they do in like. But then I don't like runny eggs.
Please don't spoil the pan because it's gonna destroy the sealing. It's gonna destroy
Sealing or?
the inner coating.
Okay, now we are going to drain this and leave some water behind. Technique.
ആണോ? ഞാൻ എന്താ മുറിച്ചു തരാം. ഞാൻ മുറിച്ചു തരാം. അരി ആട്ടിട്ടില്ല ഇതുവരെ. ഞാൻ ആട്ടാം. ആ ഫ്രിഡ്ജിൽ നിന്ന്
കുറച്ച് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മള് എന്താ പറയാ,
കുറച്ചിട്ട് ടേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്ക്.
we'll add the whole cheese packet because it's cheese. It's fine. This is the cheese packet. Noodles ASMR. First try. First. അത്ര ഇട്ടിട്ട് തന്നെ ഉടുക്കത്തെ എരിവ് ഇത് മൊത്തം ഇട്ടിട്ട് ആൾക്കാർ എങ്ങനെ തിന്നണേ അടിക്കുമ്പോൾ നാക്കിൽ വെക്കുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ എരിവാ പക്ഷേ ടേസ്റ്റ് കൊള്ളാം ദ ടേസ്റ്റ് ഈസ് നൈസ് ബട്ട് ഐ ഡോണ്ട് ലൈക്ക് ദ ടെക്സ്ചർ ഓഫ് ദ നൂഡിൽസ് ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി chewy. I like my noodles to be a little springy. This is very chewy. ഞാൻ തിന്നെ പറഞ്ഞു ഇത് ഡ്രാമയ്ക്കൊന്നും എൻ്റെ ചാനലിൽ സമയമില്ല.
2 out of 10.
It's actually good. It's really spicy. I can't handle spicy food, so I can't eat it.
നല്ല എരിയുണ്ട് പക്ഷെ നല്ല ടേസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്.
എന്താ What's up, everybody? Welcome to my bathroom. So, I am going to turn in for the night. I am really tired, and the rain especially makes you want to sleep all the time. It makes you so drowsy and so lethargic. I just want to go to bed, and it's only 8:30 or 9, I guess. I'm just doing my nighttime skincare, just putting some hydration back into the face and doing my nighttime skincare routine. It sort of helps me unwind for the day. You know, it's like a full stop to the day. So I try to do it every day if possible. But there are days that I get really tired and I don't do it at all. But if I have makeup, I try to remove it. So yeah, I think I'll end the weekly vlog here. I hope all of you liked the vlog. I hope to make this a weekly process, and I'll be posting every Sunday. It's been a long time since I've made talking videos and vlogs of such. So it is very difficult for me to talk in a flow with you guys right now, but I'm sure I'll get better as I do more and more. I guess I'll end my vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and if you have any suggestions you can tell me that. I guess the next video will be the pack and prep video for Bangalore. We'll see how it goes from there. Thank you for still watching, and I hope to be more regular this time around. Yeah, so just thank you. Bye.
My question is
George, stop saying that. You are on my video.
My question is, why are you cooking with a knife?